In this video, I'm showing you how I'm grading Lab 6-2, and I have a check sheet. I'll show it to you. Check sheet looks like this, except the X's are not here on the blank version of it. And I'm just going to go down through all of these. So I'm going to check addresses on all PCs. So let's take a look here. I'll just go down through here and look at these addresses, and come on, let's see if it, there we go. You see the address there, fast Ethernet 0 is 172.17.20.21. Now, the address has changed throughout the lab, and I can only see them as they are right now, so I'm not going to check real closely as what they are since I know they changed around. I'm also going to be looking at, see if I can get this thing back in place again. I'm also going to be looking at unused ports on the switch to make sure that they're shut down. So as I go over here, you can see that numbers 1, well, if it would stay up in there, 1, 6, 11, 18, and then VLAN 99 are up. Everything else is down, so I'll be checking for that. Third, I will be checking for, whoops, let's get that back again. Third, I'll be checking for ports to the PCs are all access ports, and ports to the switches are all trunk ports. So once again, I can take a look in here, and I won't see it as I do a pop-up here, so I'll have to open this guy up and take a look at this and make sure that they are access ports and trunk ports as needed. So here are the trunk ports and the access ports. So I'll take a look at that next. The next thing I'll be looking at then are that the VLAN 1 should have ports 1 through 5, VLAN 10 should be faculty, staff, and so on. So in other words, all the VLAN names and that all the correct ports are on them. So once again, if I go back down to here, I can see the VLAN numbers 30, 10, 20, and 1, and 99. So, and then I can see which ports they're on. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 for 30. 11 is VLAN 20. 12 is VLAN 10. Actually, that one doesn't look quite right there. And I can't point to it because it makes this go away when I move it. So anyway, I'll be checking then that all the VLANs are on the right ports and that they're all there. I can't see the VLAN names here. And so in order to see the VLAN names, I'll go in here and I'll do a show VLAN brief. And now I can see the names of those VLANs, that they are correct. I can also see the port numbers from here. All right, after that, I'll be checking that I can get successful pings on the VLANs that are on the same subnet, and I'll just do that by pinging in here. So as I look at this, for example, I can see that's on 20, and then this one should be on 20. And this is 172.17.20.25. Ping 172.17.20.25, and I should get a successful ping. And then finally, unsuccessful pings on different VLANs, and I'll check that in the same way. And then I'll be looking at your document file and making sure that you gave me good explanations on all your commands. So when you get this back, it will just simply be checked like this for everything correct. If it had something wrong with it, then I might give it like a -1 or a minus 0.5 or a -2, depending on the importance of it and how badly it was fudged up there. And so for most of you, it'll probably be all X's like this, which means you got 100% on it. So that's how I'm grading this one.